Hey guys, I want to do a review of this Summer Waves Elite pool. This happens to be a 16-foot pool that I purchased last season. We've already used it quite a bit this season, and we used it all summer long, and for all intents and purposes, this thing is still brand new. So all in all, this has been a wonderful pool. What's really neat is this pool comes with everything that you need. I mean, it comes with the ladder here, comes with the filter, comes with the vacuum to sweep the pool, skimmer. I mean, literally everything you need to get started except for chlorine. The only things I've added, I added some umbrellas to strap to the side. I added the floating chlorine dispenser, and I added a solar cover. And since I've been using this, we've had some pretty massive storms, and that solar cover has just stayed right on there. So for one complete full season, with the whole family being in here many times, this has been a very good pool. Even going through our second season here, I've never had any leaks. So I'm almost actually kind of surprised how good this pool is. I did read some reviews of people having problems with leaks, so I don't know if that was because of the setup or defect from the factory, but for me, either I got lucky or this is really a good pool. Something also that's amazing, me, I'm a pretty big guy, and I have no trouble climbing up and down this ladder. This thing is very sturdy, and I've been up and over in this pool many times, and this thing is very sturdy. The only issues I've had is this on the pool steps. You can see these feet that are stuck to the bottoms of the steps, and they're the same way on the inside of the pool. If I can zoom in here, you might be able to see. And I've had an instance where one of those feet have come off on the side that was in the pool, and we had bare tubing sticking into the liner. But amazingly, it didn't put a hole in the liner, and I caught it in time. So I've kind of made it a habit to check these feet before I put the ladder into the pool. Another issue with this pool, in this liner you get these pockets to where these pipes go through. But you get algae and even mosquito larvae that will lay in here. So what I do is I just put some chlorine in here, or just put some heavily chlorinated water, and it'll flow all the way around the pool, and it'll get rid of this algae and anything that might be living in there. So those are the only two issues I've had. So I hope you enjoyed the review of this Summer Waves Elite 16-foot pool. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you all later.